Today is our second lecture and we're going to talk about what is digital marketing, so thanks for joining us here at Earning Clicks and let's get started. Talking about why digital marketing is important, so let's start there on the why. So if we're just a fly on the wall and we're in an office environment, we're looking at two friends having a conversation about digital marketing, so really if we're listening in, every marketer is using digital marketing for his or her business. Now digital marketing has become more popular than traditional marketing. That's not a surprise. So in response, over the past few decades digital marketing has evolved at a rapid pace. These days a lot of people spend most their time on the internet. So what happens in the internet every 60 seconds? Well, a lot happens every 60 seconds. So according to social media today, there's a lot of snaps, there's a lot of clicks, there's a lot of text, there's a lot of videos watched, there's a lot of pictures being taken, there's a lot of voice activated activity going on, a lot of tweets, emails, swipes, there's a lot going on here in 60 seconds. So there's a lot of activity on the internet, a lot, and so the one gentleman says, "Hey, can you also mention a few differences between digital and traditional marketing systems?" And then the expert responds, "Of course, I can certainly clarify a few differences between digital and traditional." And so he goes on to say what the differences are between traditional and digital, and let's look at that. Okay, so on traditional marketing we're talking about print, radio, billboard, newspaper, TV, anything that's not on your mobile or laptop, so we know what traditional marketing reaches limited. With digital marketing reaches maximum, and what we mean by that is, when you print something you're printing it for X amount of people. If you're trying to promote an event and you basically create 1,000 flyers, you figure it's going to 1,000 people, maybe they'll share it, so you're looking about 2,000 people, maybe, just to be generous. Well, digital marketing, we're promoting an event, we can promote it to a whole lot of people depending on the platform. So 2,000 is nothing when you're targeting an audience on Facebook or Google search. Traditional marketing non-versatile, and with digital marketing very versatile. So again, going back to our flyer, printing an 8.5 by 11, that's it. With digital marketing, running display banners, you have 468 by 6200 by 200, 250 by 250, 300 by 300. The list goes on. The types of different displays is not to mention text ads, not to mention video or multimedia, so there's a lot you can do to get your message out there. With traditional, it's always delayed communication. So meaning if you're trying to get that TV spot, there might not be a spot open until 1 in the morning. Well, with digital marketing, there is no hours. You can certainly get your point out there and have people see it instantaneously. So with traditional marketing, there's a lack of real-time results. This seems like it's obvious, but digital marketing, that's one of the biggest benefits: instant real-time results. Instant. Nowadays, we're going to analytics, you can look at real-time reporting. So we could see real-time results. Traditional marketing can be very costly. If you're not only doing postcards and printing postcards, but you have to mail those postcards, so there's postage fees. Where digital marketing, it's very cost efficient. Meaning you could pick and choose who you want to target, when you want to target, where you want to target, what you want to target. And if you're doing search, you can put your bidding in place, you can put your hours in place, you can really control how much you actually spend. So that's amazing. One of the biggest advantages to digital marketing, not only do you get real-time results, but you can control costs, and then obviously optimize based on the amount of cost you're spending based on those real-time results. With traditional marketing, it's difficult to reach a target audience. With digital marketing, it's easy to reach a target audience. I don't want to bash traditional marketing too much. If you're going to put a TV ad in place, you're going to do it on a TV show that tends to gear more towards your target audience, but that doesn't guarantee anything. Here we can simply go to Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn and just pick and choose specifically who we want to target when we want to target them, so it just becomes a lot easier to reach a targeted audience on a digital marketing platform. And then with traditional marketing, port campaign measurement, with digital you have easy to measure, optimize campaigns, and what we really mean by that is because you get instant time results, because you can control costs, because you can reach your target audience more easily. All those a result of you can measure and optimize based on what our audience is seeing and how much they're spending to see it. We can quickly make adjustments in order to optimize the campaign for better performance. So that means that's a culmination of pretty much everything that we've listed as a benefit for digital marketing. So now why Digital marketing has been answered with all the benefits that it carries. Let's talk about the what is digital marketing, so you know that you want to do digital marketing. So, how do we go about that? What is it exactly? Well, let's just define it. Digital marketing, it's just the act of promoting a company's product or an individual's product or service with the help of a device or technology. And so obviously, when we talk about device, we're talking about maybe a laptop, we're talking about a mobile device. And when we talk about technology, it could be an app, it could be, a cloud-based platform, okay. It could be a piece of software, okay. So a lot going on the digital side in terms of variations and what you can do, but that's in a nutshell. What digital marketing is, you're really just using technology to promote your product or service.